Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if the Google Play Store right here is missing and you can't find the icon anywhere. So just go to the top right, go to Settings, scroll on down and go to Apps. So chances are you probably disabled this app by accident. So scroll on down to the Google Play Store and just locate it. Right here, Google Play Store. Tap it. And it might be disabled on the bottom. So you can see this says Disable App. Just make sure you don't have this disabled. So this is what it's going to look like. You just want to go to Enable. Then we can also go down here. If it's still missing, we can go to Storage. And we could try clearing the cache and clearing the data. And there's an option in the top right. We can just uninstall the updates and just do everything on here. Now we have to go back to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom, and just type in Store. And it should be on here now. So here it is. Add to home. And then we can go on over here. Now another place this could be hiding is if you have a secure folder. So if you know what that is, you probably have it turned on. And you can have the Google Play Store in there. So look inside your secure folder. So you can see I have a secure folder right here. And I think I have to type in a password or set this up. I don't think I have a password on there. But just look inside your secure folder and just move it out of there if it's in there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.